Hello guys, you are welcome to Chef Luchy's house. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Ugba and Okporoko, likewise Ugba and stockfish. This delicacy is mostly eaten by people from the southeastern part of Nigeria, but from my experience so far, people of all tribes love to eat it too. To make Ugba and Okporoko, which also means Ugba and stockfish, you need the following ingredients: Ugba, pomo, stockfish, garden egg, red oil, onions, pepper, potash, leaf, salt and seasoning to taste. Now you have to bring a clean pot, well dried. Then you add your potash. As you can see, I have already added water in it to dissolve inside it. Stir it before pouring it inside the pot. Pour the little as the amount that you can use. Then add your red oil to the potash, the quantity that you need. Stir it very well and make it even. As you can see how it looks like potash and the red oil combined together. Then you add Ugba. That is the first thing that you are going to add into the red oil and the potash. Then after that, you stir it very well to bind it together. Then after that, you see how it looks like. Then we add our pomo to it. Then we stir very well until you bind everything together. Then the next one is stockfish. We add into it and stir it very well. You continue to stir it until everything is combining together. As you can see how it's looking now. Add your pepper and make sure that you consider people with ulcer. Then you stir it very well. Let the pepper mix with Ugba, stockfish, pomo. Mix everything properly. Then we add our seasoning. And salt to taste. Then you stir it very well for salt and the seasoning to mix very well. Then we add our onions to it. The onions is into two different parts: the sliced one and the round one. The round one is the garnishing one, while the diced one is for the Ugba. You stir it very well. Make sure that everything mixes properly. Add some chopped garden egg to it, which is an option. Then you stir it very well for everything to mix together. Now our Ugba is getting ready to serve. With me today, I have Auntie Onome from Parrot Web TV. If you don't know her, better go to Parrot Web TV and watch. She's here to taste the delicacy, to know how it tastes. By looking at it, it looks so delicious. Auntie Onome, that is true.
Wow, very beautiful. Wow! Chef Luchy, this is wonderful.